Hello everyone, so we're here from this one in this last round from this one in this code English Chess Federations or codes 2025 British Chess Championship. So last round from this one in this last round number 9 from this one. So how many clocks within 1 hour and 30 minutes and 30 seconds increments, so it means long game or round robin from this one. So in this today's last round and also between from this international master in Ireland is Taron Kanya, what's the name this one? Taron Kanya Marala. So Taron Kanya Marala from this one, so it means versus from this woman grandmaster in England or Georgia is Lanyao. So it means so so it means Lanyang is a beautiful and pretty, so she was focused of this one talents of these skills of master from this chess here. I thought she was a teacher from this one or discussion. So in this today's last round from this one in this part of this video, you have analyzed of this last round number 9 in British Chess Championship. So white plays Taron is d4, knight f6 Lanyao, bishop f4, d5 is called accelerated London. So queen's pawns opening, so accelerated London from this one, and also e3 c5. The sacrifice here, so sacrifice by pawns by black by Lanyao, and also knight c3. So for example, so if you capture this pawn takes captured, why do you think d takes c5 and also pawn to e6 with the idea by threatening the pawn? So control, so these are the examples here. So it means so move by knight c6 by Taron from this one, and also e6 without develops by here by pawns here from this one, and also knight b5. So it means no more booklets by Taron. So it means these are a novelty. So novelty of this game. So these are the old main lines. Good novelty is knight to f3, and bishop to b5 check. So check from this one. So these are the checks. So bishop to b5 without check. So check from this one. So I'm something wrong. Sorry I got wrong by these are the problems arrows from this one. So it means back novelty is knight b5 by Taron, or maybe with idea by here strongest by knight c7, or without use by bishop, so without check, or according this one by continuous here. So these are the dangers from blacks from this one. And also good move knight a6 by Lanyao without defense, so it means these are controls here. And also pawn to c3, bishop e7 with idea by castling by Lanyao. Without castling, so without idea by castling king side here from this one, and also takes by capture this pawn, bishop takes captured, and also knight f3, castling king side by Lanyao, and also bishop d3 by ready by castling by Taron. So it means without Taron, what's code name Taron? So bishop d3 and bishop d7 without attack the knights, or without threatening the knights here. So threatening the knights from this one, and also castling by Taron, and also bishop backward c7, and also b4, and also knight e4. So it means knight e4 is bad move. So it means bad move by Stockfish. So it means computer by Lanyao from this one. So bad move. So the best moves there, this one is knight to e8 with idea by move side here. So this are move side. This one is, so maneuvers is moved by knight to c7. So it means, so knight e8 is the best moves here. So according from this continuous by computer. So back there, this one is knight e4 by Lanyao, and also pawn to a4, a5 without defense by knights, bishop to e5 here. Oh, without controls by without Taron from this one, and also bishop f6 threatening the bishop to bishop, bishop backwards d4. So in accept, why don't we bishop captured? So how do you think from this one? And queen takes captured bishop. Simple eyes here. So easy from this one. So slightly good examples here. So back there, this one is bishop d4 by Taron from this one, and knight c7 without move side by Lanyao. Ready by attacks by knights, and queen b3. Knight takes captured. Pawn takes. These are the weak king pawn. So is called by weakest pawn by doubles pawn from this one. So doubles from this one, and also bishop takes captured, bishop to bishop, and pawn takes captured, or same by coloring white bishop. So coloring white bishop or coloring the knights here. So coloring the knights here, and also knight to d6 by Lanyao, or maybe with idea by capture threats the pawns, and knight the capture the pawns. These are the is called by weakest pawn. So weak by pawns here from this one, and rook to fe1, and also queen to c8, and also rook ac1 without defense the pawns, and bishop takes captured, bishop takes, knight takes, or maybe with idea to move side by queen to c7 by use by here by move side. So move side by rook ac8. So rook ac8 from this one, and also c4 by pawns. Capture this pawn. Rook takes with idea by thrust the queen. So according this one, so rooks or attacks by disturbed by queens here from this one, and queen d7. Oh, without good sides here from this one, and also rook c5, or maybe with idea by battery. So it means rook ec1. So it means battery from this one, and knight takes captured, attacks the queens, and knight takes, queen takes, and also rook takes captured. So how many pawns from this one? So 4 pawns by Taron and 5 pawns by Lanyao. So it means 4 versus 5. So why? Because these are the plus 1. So plus 1 by according this one. So 1 pawn down again. So what do you think if you want pawn down? So let's continue. Rook takes captured, and force king h8. Rook d5 without attacks the threats the queens, or maybe without threatening the queens from this one. Without threats the queens here from this one, and queen f4 here, and also pawn g3 without threats the queens here. Queen c1 check, king g2 f4. With idea by attacks the pawns from this one, and rook d3 develops by pawns here from this one, and rook ac8, and also queen to d5. Without queen d5 from this one, and queen c4 with idea by threats the pawn. So it's without defense here. So it means threatening the attacks this pawn from this one, and in accept, Taron queen takes and rook takes, and also pawn to b5. Capture this pawn, captured, and also rook c7 here from this one, or maybe with idea by rook cf7 by battery. So rook f7 battery from this one. So battery from this double by rooks here from this one, and b6 sacrifice. What? Oh no, that's not sacrifice. Sacrifice from this one, and takes, rook takes, and also pawn to h6 here. h6, sorry. So it means h6. so it means h6 here. So I'm sorry, I got wrong note. So it means h6, and rook db3, rook ff7 without 7th rank. So it's called 7th rank from this one, and pawn to f4, king h7 without king must be active, and king h3, king must be active here, and rook cd7, and king g4, and rook c7, and also king h4, and rook cd7, and the last shot, rook 3 b5 with a decided agreed draw from this last round. So So it means the score by International Master Taron 97.6 and the score by WGM Lanyao 97.4. So winning from this score, I am Taron Irillian. So it means winning from whites. So these are the winning of this shot. So let's see of these final results after last round, round number 9. Okay, so it means last round number 9. So let's see of these results. So the first of this one from gold medals between Grandmaster Michael Adams without 7 points. So it means gold medals from this one, and second place is Grandmaster Stuart C. Conquest from England or Georgia, 7 points, and the bronze medal by International Master Peter T. Robertson from this London, or same by London or England. So England's from this one. So Grandmaster Gawain 6.5, I am Jonah, and I am Sevatoslav 6.5. So let's see, many are the players here. So many players. So let's see, where's the so it means 5.5 by FIDE Master William Clarich Hansen from this one. So I will analyze of this one, my to Tagalog Cebuanos here between FIDE Master William versus WGM Lanyao. So I will analyze later. And 22 placer by Grandmaster Sheras Royal 5.5, and 23 placer from this loose from this one within WGM Lanyao, my favorite players in this England or Georgia. And the 5.5 by International Master Taron Kanyamarala in Irillian from this one. So it means without 25, Yang Fanshu 5.5, International Master, I thought China. So China from this one. And so many are placer. No more Master by Jacob, or maybe by 5.5 WGM Almira Morzueva in England. So 5 points again. So same by 5 points within here. So many 5 points. So it means 5 points. I thought I forgot something by Woman FIDE Master Elise Denelle Dyson in this England or Georgia. I'm sorry I forgot. I thought WFM Woman FIDE Master from this one. So I will analyze of this one from these players between from WFM Elise Daniel Dican. So it means 5 points from this one, and so 4.5, and also 4.5 by WFM Audrey Roche. No Masters by Rock You. Rock You! Rock You. I thought rock songs. Rock and Roll. 4.5, 4, same by 4. So same by 4, and 3. And WIM Trisha Kanyamara. I thought Brotherhood of Taron Kanyamarala. So I thought Brotherhood or Sisterhood. So Sisterhood by Taron. So Taron Kanyamarala. So I thought the Brotherhood or Sisterhood by Trisha Kanyamarala. So it means Brotherhood by Taron Kanyamarala from this one. So it means 2.5. So three people are no masters. So 2 points. These are 2 masters, no more masters by 2 peoples. And 1.5 and 0.5 by some jokes, and no more masters, and the FIDE Master Tanya Chopra. So it means congratulations of this one from top 3 within GM Michael, GM Stuart, and I am Peter. So congratulations of this one from top 2 from this one. So I hope that this part of this video here. So thank you so much for watching. So I will analyze of this one within choose up these best games within Mark Loagi part 2. So to Tagalog and Cebuanos translation, I will choose up these analyzed games from this one within I don't know what samples this one. So I will, let's see my focus idea. So I hope at this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Loagi 17, aka Icon Mark 17. Have a good day and keep safe and keep updates of these next chess updates. Bye bye.